Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to remove a credit or debit card from your TikTok account. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into the account where the card is saved. At the bottom right corner, tap the profile icon to go to your profile page. Once you are on your profile, look at the top right corner and tap the three-line menu. This will open your settings and options. From the menu, select Balance. In the Balance section, you will see an option called Live Rewards. Tap on it. Here you will find options related to your earnings and withdrawals. If you have added a card before, you will see a withdraw option. Tap on the Withdraw button. I can't withdraw because I don't have enough balance, but after tapping on Withdraw, your saved card or cards will appear on the screen. Select the card that you want to remove. When you select it, look carefully for the Remove option. Tap Remove and confirm your choice. After confirming, the card will be deleted from your TikTok account. Thanks for watching.